Hello and welcome back to Crypto Nerd. My name is AJ, here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the price of Bitcoin and a new Bitcoin pattern I found in the charts. We're also going to be taking a look at the price of Ethereum, which has absolutely exploded and has hit my price target exactly as I predicted. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please smash a like, subscribe and share this video so we can grow this channel together. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the charts. Jumping straight on into the charts then, this morning we are going to take a look at the price of Ethereum first, because we have hit my price target exactly as I predicted, all the way up here at $3,950. Ethereum did in fact go up all the way to $3,987, so just under $4,000, but this was a crazy move for Ethereum, and I predicted this move a couple days ago. As you can see down here, a couple videos ago, I gave you an Ethereum trade, and I told you if Ethereum were to break out of this diamond pattern, I would be putting a long position in. Ultimately, the trade started off slowly. We were in profit at times, we were in losses, profit, losses. However, we did see the trade finally explode when we did break up out of this rising wedge, and as I said, we hit that price target perfectly, and in fact I did have a take profit at that take profit point of $3,950, because I was so certain we were going to hit that target. And ultimately that take profit point was a good exit point, because right now we are most likely going to see a period of slight consolidation, because we have had this massive move to the upside. So I am expecting Ethereum to just consolidate slightly before potentially seeing another move to the upside. But yeah, congratulations to anyone who took this trade with me, because we have seen massive gains in this trade exactly as I predicted. Moving swiftly on to the price of Bitcoin then, taking a look at our megaphone pattern here, you can see that yesterday Bitcoin did have some nice price action to the upside, taking us just under 60k. This morning we are seeing a slight dip in the price of Bitcoin, not a significant dip, but a slight dip. But yeah, the daily candle has only just started really, so we do have lots of time for Bitcoin to in fact see some nice price action to the upside. Also, taking a look at this head and shoulders pattern which I showed you on the daily, this could still be in play if we did see Bitcoin roll over. Let me get a pen tool out. If we saw Bitcoin roll over and dump towards the neckline of that head and shoulders pattern. However, it is not certain that this pattern is going to play out, so I'm not too worried about it yet until we do see Bitcoin actually dump down to the neckline, so I'm not worried about that yet. Taking a look at the 4 hour, in fact on the 4 hour I have posted if I show you on Twitter, I did show you over on Twitter Bitcoin rising wedge pattern on the 4 hour as well. There is also one on the hourly which I will show you in a minute. So taking a look at the 4 hour rising wedge, then you can see the top of the wedge there and the bottom of the wedge there, and Bitcoin has found nice support at the bottom here, and at the top we have seen lots of resistance. So this is going to be a key pattern for Bitcoin when Bitcoin does break up or down out of this pattern. If Bitcoin were to break down out of this pattern, the price target would be all the way down at the bottom of the pattern, which would take Bitcoin all the way down to $47,500. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break down out of this pattern because we are trading very bullishly at the moment. However, that is a possibility. And if we were to break to the upside, this would be a big move for Bitcoin, which would take Bitcoin to just under 70k. We're going to round it up to 70k. So the price target for this move, if we were to break up out of this rising wedge pattern, would be all the way up at 70k. So this will be a major move for the price of Bitcoin if we were to break up out of this rising wedge. If we were to break down, it would be a big move to the downside as well. So we just want to hope that it does break to the upside, because that 70k target would be very, very nice to see. And because Bitcoin has been struggling to get above that 60k level, I know we did just about get to 65k, but Bitcoin was struggling at those 60k levels. So when we do get back up to the 60k level, there is going to be strong resistance there. However, if we can break through that 60k level, we will most likely see Bitcoin absolutely explode up to that 70k level. I am pretty certain on that. Moving on to the hourly chart then, taking a look at this rising wedge on the hourly chart, you can see that Bitcoin has found lots of resistance along the resistance line and lots of support along the support line. And right now, Bitcoin is actually testing that support level. If Bitcoin were to break down out of this support level, and the candle does close in about 20 minutes, the target would be at $53,200 roughly. So it is a pretty significant move for the price of Bitcoin. And if we were to break to the upside, we would see Bitcoin at $62,700, which would also be a nice move to the upside for Bitcoin. There is 20 minutes left. I will be keeping you updated on Twitter. By the time this video is out, the break to the downside could have already happened, but I will be keeping you updated on Twitter. So if you don't follow my Twitter, make sure you give it a follow, because I'm always keeping you updated there. So I think that is all for this chart. There is also this white line, which I was talking about in yesterday's video as well, which I told you when we were below it, we were finding resistance on it, as you can see here. 3 points of resistance, and then when we were above it, we found lots of support at this level. And Bitcoin is still sort of trading along this level. So if Bitcoin were to break down out of this rising wedge, this would be a key support level for Bitcoin, because we could see Bitcoin actually bounce off this level, because it is strong support. However, if we do break below it, then we could see that price target all the way down at $3,200, and then this white line would then become resistance again. That's going to be all for today's video then. Congratulations to anyone who took this Ethereum trade with me, because you have seen astronomical gains. I am going to be keeping you updated on these Bitcoin charts over on Twitter the best I can. However, today I am going to be away from my computer for a little bit, but I will try and keep you updated as much as I can. So if you enjoyed the video, then please smash a like, subscribe and share this video. I do put a lot of time and effort in these videos, and I do enjoy making them for you, so I would appreciate it if you can just share this video, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.